Good morning, everybody. My name is Ujesh from Grade 7 Originality, and today I'll be showing you how to do a program to find if the number is odd or even. So, first we have to install the C++ from the internet, which I already have. So, now let's open it from the desktop. So, as you can see, this is the Turbo C++ interface, and now we are going to start the program. To find if the number is odd or even. So this is the comment statement. It is an explanatory statement which allows you to understand the code easily. Comments do not appear in the output screen. They are not executed. Now we are going to add the files hash include iostream.h. iostream.h contains objects that perform the standard input and output operations on the screen. Hash include conio.h. Conio.h includes functions for the console input output. Void main. In void main, void signifies that the function does not return any value. The parentheses open bracket close bracket after main specifies an information that you need to pass to the function. Here you do not need to pass any information, so it is blank. Open bracket clr scr open bracket close bracket colon. The clr scr command is used to clear the output screen after finishing it. I uh, int num. The integer data type is a data type used to define variables that store integer values, and integer data type is 4 bytes long. Cout cout enter enter the number. uh, Cout is an object. Cout is an object which is used to print print. Cout is an output object which is used to print to the screen. It is used together with the insertion operator. The insertion operator writes the data on the screen. Sin num. Num is the variable in which we are giving the value to. The sin command is an input object used to accept the user input. It is used together with the extraction operator. The if if num modulo symbol 2 equals to 0 open bracket. The if else is a conditional construct which allows a program to choose any one of the two paths of execution depending on the value provided by the expression. So if the if statement is correct, that means that when we print something, the in to the if which is corresponding to the if, then it is correct. If it's not corresponding to the if, we have to put the else command and put it. So that's when the if else command is helpful. So now you put cout the number is even. Now we close the bracket. then we put else, then we again open the bracket, then we put cout, the number is odd. Then we again close the bracket, then we put the command get ch, then open bracket, close bracket, colon, and we then again end the program, close the bracket. So now let's come to the program, and now let's check it out if it's correct or wrong. So let's compile it first. Alt F9. So as you can see, it's saying success, press any key. That means that you don't have any errors. You've done everything correctly and you can go forward. So we can start the program. I'm going to show odd and even numbers. So let's try 67 should be the odd number. I put it. It's saying the number is odd. Now if I do it all control F9 again, now I'm going to put 90. It's saying even. So as these programs help us to improve our thinking ability, as there are many things to solve problems. So thank you and have a nice day.